Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do to fix your screen flickering issues in Windows 11. So sometimes it's a software issue, sometimes it's a hardware issue, and sometimes it might also be a virus. So to get started on the software side of things, first thing you can do is to check if your graphics drivers are up to date. So I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'll be using the NVIDIA app to check whether my drivers are up to date. I'm going to open my start menu, and then I'm going to type in NVIDIA app. I'm going to open it, and here I should be able to see whether my drivers are up to date underneath the driver tab. So as you can see, there's an update available and I'm like currently on the latest version. So simply click on download and it should automatically update your drivers once it finishes downloading. The next thing you can do is to check if your system has any viruses. So let's open up Google Chrome real quick and then let's type in malware bytes. So I'm going to go to the website malwarebytes.com and then I'm going to click on download now. So it should start automatically and there we go. I'm going to set this up by clicking on the program and I'm going to run the installer. So now I'm going to click on install, click on personal, skip this step, and it should finish up in a few minutes. So the reason why a virus might cause any screen flickering issues is because they're taking your system resources and making it just generally slower. And sometimes the display gets affected because of that. There we go. I'm going to click on Open Malwarebytes and it should show the program in a minute. There we go. I'll click on get started. I'll click on maybe later because I don't really need any of the premium features. So here you can start your first scan. So that's what we're going to do. Just click on that, click on scan now here, and it should run a scan. And afterwards, when it finishes, it'll give you a list of options to do. And generally, when it detects any threats, you want to quarantine those threats and let Malwarebytes handle that process. So I'm going to cancel this for now. Now, the next thing you can do to fix your issue is to double check your cable. Sometimes your cable is the problem. It simply isn't a high quality cable. Like it might be one of the cheaper ones, and that might be what's causing your issues if there's nothing wrong on the software side. And very rarely, I've had this happen to me a few times. It could be a RAM issue. So either improperly connected RAM or faulty RAM sticks might cause this issue. So to fix that, you would simply want to how to reseat RAM. So if you don't know what that means, it basically just means you take your RAM stick, you remove it, and you plug it back in. Reseating your RAM can fix a lot of the issues that are RAM related, and they don't necessarily mean you have a faulty stick of RAM. But if the symptom persists, then that might definitely be a possibility. So I hope I was able to help solve your issue. I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.